What I really like to do with the synthesizer, because it sounds really exotic, like different than the normal analog synthesizers. Especially nowadays, there's a lot of new analog synthesizers all the time, which basically all sound the same. So I started using this to get a different kind of exotic sound, which is a little bit more obscure nowadays, even though this was the de facto pop production synthesizer of the 90s. But I guess those people just use the presets. But if you program it, you can get really freaky sounds out of it, like this kind of ambient stuff. For example, I can go here and change the